Guys, welcome back to CodeMine. Carry here. So in this video we will learn what are the storage classes specified in C programming, right? So we have a different storage classifier which actually tell the compiler where we will keep this variable, right? We will keep it in memory, register, stack, or whatever the storage available in our computer, right? So simply it basically tell us the where we are going to store a variable, right? We have a majorly four storage classes in C programming. First is extern. Extern is basically used to tell the compiler that this global variable, right, for the storage of global variable, right, these are not mentioned in any method, so this will be into a separate memory, right? So extern, so whatever the global variable you mention into the program, they will go into this category, extern. So you write down extern, you do not write down extern, doesn't matter, right? So that is the benefit of that. So what is the statics? Statics basically are used to mention the static variables. So what is the static variable? What is the use of that? So we will also create a separate video after this video, right? So we will, so keep watching, right? So we will explain that thing in next video. So what is register? Register is basically when we are going to store that value of variable into CPU register, right? Why into CPU register? Because the execution from the CPU register is very high, and that value which we want to pull again and again, right? So we cannot put that into a memory or into a hard disk, so we can directly save that value into CPU register and we can use that. And auto is basically default storage, right? And the in local variables which we use into functions, that by default goes into this category, auto. So we will see a diagram next which will we get a explanation that how the storage classes are different from each other. The auto is basically stored into a stack, right? And initial value is garbage, we all know, and garbage is basically any garbage value, any data which is not useful. And scope is within block, as I told you that whatever the variables mentioned into a method or a function, that is known as auto. So its scope is within block. Life is end of block. Life means when they die, when the that block has been completed, that method has been completed, that life of variable become end. What you extern, that save into a data segment, right? A different data segment we save that, and the initial value is 0 and global multiple file, right? Means which it we can use this thing into an entire program, and we can use it into a different files also, right? If we add that file into another code, we can use this global variables, right? And life is till end of program. As we all know, in a global variables we can use that throughout the program, any area we can use that global variable. What are the static variables? Static variable basically again store into data segment. I want to tell you static variable could be local also, and static variable could be global also, right? Generally its value is 0, and within block is basically why it's written here within block, where it is mentioned. If it's mentioned into a method or a function, then its scope will be limited to that function, and if it's a global, then we can use static as a global also, and its life is still end of a program. So that is the difference between a normal variable and a static variable, that the life of a static variable is the end of a program, whether it's a local or a global doesn't matter. So what is the register? Register is the same like a auto variable. The difference is only here that the register basically store the value into CPU register. Rest of the thing is same as the auto, right? In auto we store the variable into a stack, but in register we store the value into CPU register. Why? Because to increase the execution of the program. So that is a storage specifier mentioned into C programming, right? So we can use this storage specifier as per our desire. So in next videos we will one by one explain this all programs, right? and please stay tuned and do not forget to comment that how you are liking this video. Tell us about your views about these videos, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the red button below this video. And thanks for watching. Have a very good day.